What if I told you that I just found a product that made $20,000 in just 60 days? I'm going to show you how I found it using Everbee and how you can do the same. So, we're in Everbee right now, and you can do a free trial of this. You can actually use this for free for a long time. I think forever, it says. But you just won't get all of the special features. So I really recommend using the free trial and then buying the lowest program, and then you can do some really good things with it. So first, over here on the left, you'll see that you can do a product analytics, and then you can do shop analyzer, and then you can do your keyword research. Those are the three things that they're mainly known for on this app, and it's pretty much all you really need. Now, if you remember, in a previous video, I was on Etsy, and over here on the left side, you see this is the Everbee stuff over here. And basically, you connect your Everbee to your Etsy account, and then you can type something in here like Christmas t-shirt. And then like it'll load, and then you'll see it says 360 monthly searches, or 160, or this one only has one, things like that. So basically what that is good for is when you type it in there, this right here tells you how many monthly searches on Etsy. That's how many people are searching for that thing on Etsy. Now, let's take it one step further. I want to show you how I found this $20,000 per month product. So you type something in here, and then whatever keyword you use, you'll go here, and then you're going to go to product analytics. All right, you're going to type that keyword in, and then I'm going to take you to the data that I found. So here we are. They have an export feature where basically I did a shop analysis, and this is 11 Etsy shops. This is data from 11 different Etsy shops. All right, so I organized it from the most. Here, let's just scroll up right here. Let's see here. I organized it by estimated monthly sales. If you see this first column here, you'll see estimated monthly sales. Now, when you look over here to the right, I landed on this one. So right here, you'll see listing age. So what we want to find is a listing. The course that I took said that you want to find something with a listing of 3 months or lower, because 3 months or lower, it's so new that whatever they're doing is working. All right, so that's one thing. It's a new listing. It's just catching fire. It's making a lot of money. It's doing its thing. And like, it's very closely related to your shop. If you're a new shop, you want to find a new shop that has a product that's doing well too. Because if it's a shop that's 20 months old, like if it's a listing and it's 20 months old, but your listing is last week, that's unrelatable, because they could have a lot more sales, a lot more money. They could have an email list. They could have all types of things. So the odds of this shop with 2 months, with this listing that has an item that's 2 months old, the odds of them having all that stuff, very slim. It's not impossible, but it's just very slim. So anyways, you want to look for something, let's just say 2 months. So 3 months or less, but we're going to go with 2 months here. Now, over here at the left, here's the product name. You see 20 is highlighted. That's where I clicked. So the shirt that I created was some sort of country shirt, like a Western type shirt. So this one really fits. The keyword I typed in was something like retro country t-shirt for women or something like that. And then this is the name of this product on Etsy. I'm going to show you this really quick. Here's the link to that. So if I click on it, then it'll take me to that link, which I'm going to show you right now. Estimated total sales, which is 488. And then over here on the right side, you have all of the tags. Now this is strong, okay? So the listing is 2 months old. You have how many sales they're making, and then you have all their tags, and you have the title. So look, if you just need a quick boost, use a title similar to this, use all their tags, make a product that's better, tags, title, a product that's better, and then make it the same price. Make it $1 more or make it $1 less. You know, just like play around with it. Because here's the thing. This t-shirt right here, $43. Now, let's do the math on this. 43 times 488. 43 times 488 equals 20,984. Now, like I just said, you see it right here. Look in column J. The listing age is 2 months old. They've made nearly $21,000 in 60 days. And that's a new listing. So I just want to hop on here really quick. That's pretty much it. Here, while we're on here, I'll just show you the product really quick. Here's the product. It's pretty simple. You know, this is one of those comfort color shirts. You can get this on, I believe, Printful. You could get them Printful and Printify, I believe. And then these boots here, you know, I use Kittle. There's probably all types of cowboy boots. You know what? While we're on here, let me just show you how easy this is. Let's pull it up now. All right, so here in Kittle, I just clicked the Elements button over here. Oh, no, I didn't. Okay, here's the Elements button. I'm going to go up here to the top. Cowgirl boot. Boom. Here we go. Here's the cowgirl boots. All types of different cowgirl boots. Let me just click this one. We got this one. We got this one. This one. All types of different cowgirl boots. Now, you can do this with any genre. Like, these ice skates are pretty cool. I bet you somebody who likes to ice skate would like these on a shirt. But anyway, just for the sake of this video, these cowgirl boots. Actually, I like these ones better. These ones look nicer. So yeah, that's pretty much all I want you to do. Get that Everbee free trial. Test this out. So go to Etsy. Hook up your Everbee to your Etsy in your Google Chrome. It's a Chrome extension. Hook it up. Type in there some keywords, whatever it is that you want to sell. Find a high performing one. Find a really good one. Click on it. Analyze the shop or analyze the product. Do both. You know, you can do this shop analysis here. I did 11 shops. I compared them. And then this is what you do. Copy the title. All right. Maybe not word for word. Take out the things that you don't need. Put in the things that you do need. But use this title as a template. Look at the price. Can you price it $1 less? Can you price it the same? Should you price it more? You know? And here's all the tags. Use the tags. And then you can even do better. So if there's tags in there that kind of aren't doing good, replace it with something better. So just test it out and then let me know how it helped you. If you have any questions, if you want to go any deeper on this or see another product searched, just comment below and let me know. I primarily do shirts. I do shirts, sweatshirts, hoodies, things like that. So if you want to do another product outside of that realm, I could try. I don't really know too much about it, but for now, just leave a comment if you have any questions. All right, like, subscribe. Bye.